Today this tutorial I am going to show you one-click realistic snow effects by free Photoshop actions. This actions download link in this video description box. At first download snow effects actions, then click on mouse right button and click extract files. Here is two files. One is snow actions and another is snow brush. So let's get started and see how to use this actions. At first open your Photoshop software. Now go to File, then open any image. Select Brush tool. And click here. And click this setting icon. And select Import Brushes. Now select your downloaded snow brush, then click on Load. Now go to Window, then Actions. Then click on Load Actions. Again select your downloaded Snow Actions ADN file, then click on Load. Now select your Sun Effect actions and click on Play button. Wait sometimes. Then see the magic. It's automatic make realistic awesome snow effects. That is awesome. Same way you can apply snow effect on your any images. Just for one click. It's always saves your time. It's no need to manual work. So it is awesome. Thanks for watching my full tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe for more update videos. Thank you. See you next tutorial. So stay with me.